reliable dashcam is one of the smartest upgrades you can add to your vehicle. From capturing accidents and insurance claims to recording scenic road trips and monitoring your car while parked, modern dashcams offer exceptional video quality and advanced safety features. In this list, we count down the top 5 best dashcams of 2026 based on image quality, reliability, smart features, and overall value. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Vantrue N5. Taking the top spot is the Vantrue N5, a dashcam designed to provide unmatched coverage and recording versatility. Unlike traditional systems, the N5 features 4-channel recording, capturing footage from the front, rear, interior, and side views simultaneously. This creates nearly complete vehicle coverage and significantly improves evidence collection in accidents or disputes. The camera records exceptionally detailed footage using high-quality sensors and advanced HDR technology. Night performance is excellent, ensuring clear recordings even in dark parking lots and poorly lit roads. The interior camera makes it especially popular among rideshare drivers and commercial vehicle operators. Additional features include GPS tracking, buffered parking mode, collision detection, voice control, Wi-Fi connectivity, and smartphone app support. The intuitive interface makes it easy to access recordings and adjust settings. What truly distinguishes the Vantrue N5 is its ability to monitor virtually every angle around the vehicle. Few competitors offer this level of protection and versatility. Combining outstanding video quality, extensive coverage, and premium features, the Vantrue N5 earns its position as the best dash cam of 2026. Nextbase IQ 4K. The Nextbase IQ 4K represents the future of smart dash cameras. More than just a recorder, it acts as an intelligent connected security system for your vehicle. Recording in crystal clear 4K resolution, it captures highly detailed footage while using AI-powered technology to monitor road activity and vehicle security. One of its most impressive features is real-time cloud connectivity. The dashcam can instantly upload important footage, send alerts to your smartphone, and provide live viewing capabilities from virtually anywhere. This makes it especially useful in situations involving theft, vandalism, or suspicious activity. The IQ 4K also includes advanced parking protection, witness mode, emergency SOS features, and driver monitoring systems. AI-based threat detection can recognize unusual events and automatically notify the owner. Built-in GPS and seamless smartphone integration further enhance convenience. Video quality is among the best in its class, with excellent dynamic range and strong night performance. For users seeking cutting-edge technology, cloud security, and intelligent monitoring capabilities, the Nextbase IQ 4K is easily one of the most innovative dashcams available in 2026. ThinkWare U3000. The ThinkWare U3000 is one of the most advanced dashcams available today, offering a powerful combination of security, image quality, and intelligent monitoring features. It records sharp 4K front footage and high-resolution rear footage using premium Sony Starvis sensors designed for exceptional low-light performance. What sets the U3000 apart is its sophisticated parking surveillance system. Radar-assisted parking mode can detect movement around the vehicle, while consuming less power than traditional systems, helping extend battery life. This feature makes it ideal for drivers who frequently leave their vehicles parked for long periods. The camera also includes advanced driver assistance systems such as lane departure warnings, forward collision alerts, and front vehicle departure notifications. Integrated GPS, cloud connectivity, and real-time vehicle monitoring further enhance security. Through the ThinkWare mobile app, users can access recordings and receive alerts remotely. Its premium construction and extensive feature set make it particularly appealing to owners of luxury vehicles. For drivers who want maximum protection, both on and off the road, the ThinkWare U3000 stands out as one of the most comprehensive dash cams of 2026. Viofo A329. The Viofo A329 is a favorite among enthusiasts who prioritize image quality and advanced recording capabilities. Equipped with Sony Starvis 2 sensors, it produces exceptionally clear footage during both daytime and nighttime driving. The camera records in high-resolution 4K and captures remarkable detail even in low-light conditions where many competitors struggle. A major advantage of the A329 is its dual-channel capability, allowing simultaneous front and rear recording. This provides complete coverage around the vehicle and adds extra protection during accidents or parking incidents. The camera also supports ultra-fast Wi-Fi connectivity, making file transfers significantly quicker than previous generations. Garmin dashcam X310. The Garmin dashcam X310 is a compact premium dashcam designed for drivers who want excellent video quality without taking up much windshield space. It records in stunning 4K Ultra HD resolution, delivering sharp details such as license plates, road signs, and vehicle markings even in challenging lighting conditions. Garmin's advanced HDR technology improves contrast and helps maintain image clarity during bright sunlight and nighttime driving. One of its standout features is voice control, allowing drivers to save videos, start recordings, and take snapshots without removing their hands from the wheel. The built-in GPS automatically records speed and location data, while Wi-Fi connectivity makes it easy to transfer footage directly to a smartphone through Garmin's companion app. The X310 also includes parking surveillance, forward collision warnings, lane departure alerts, and incident detection that automatically saves important footage during sudden impacts. Despite its tiny size, the camera delivers impressive performance and reliability. For drivers seeking a discreet yet powerful dashcam with premium features and excellent image quality, the Garmin dashcam X310 remains one of the best choices available in 2026. All from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information, or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier.